I've used both of Hostinger and Bluehost, and in this video, I will share with you which one is the best for you. Before we go into the details, I want to thank you for supporting me through using my affiliate links from the description below. And if you get one of these options using my affiliate links, I will get you access to my online university where you will learn many things, including how to use your web hosting. Without any further ado, let's get into the details. Installing WordPress in Hostinger is simple. All you have to do is go to Auto Installer under Website, click on Select under WordPress, fill in your website credentials, click Next, then Install. There you have it, your fresh WordPress is ready to customize depending on your needs. Directly after completing my purchase, Bluehost redirected me to a page where they started asking me questions to build my WordPress site and customize it based on my answers. Personally, I don't prefer setting up my site this way because most of the time these systems don't address the little details. However, I must admit that Bluehost did a pretty good job. For someone who just wants to launch their site in an acceptable way and as soon as possible, it is very useful. The second way to install WordPress on Bluehost was also easy because Bluehost comes with cPanel. The only drawback I found was locating the cPanel button. After that, the process was straightforward. Click on WordPress Manager by Softaculous, click Install, enter your information, click Install again and wait a moment. The next minute you will have your own fresh WordPress site that you can customize as you want. In my experience and that of many others who have used Hostinger, fast loading is a noticeable and consistent feature. Despite being in the sector of affordable hosting, Hostinger maintains quick loading times. As demonstrated, my website on Hostinger loads quickly. For speed, I installed this plumbing template first, along with some content in order to mimic a website. Even on my slow internet connection, opening the pages of my website was quick enough. The same was true for the control panel of my WordPress site. When I tested website speed using tools like Gmetrics, Pingdom, and Page Speed Insights, I got different results. Having used Bluehost many times before this video, I can say that Bluehost is slightly slower than Hostinger, but definitely faster to load than DreamHost. To keep a copy of your work, Hostinger automatically creates weekly backups that you can download or restore from. When it comes to managing backups, Hostinger makes the process simpler compared to some competitors. Daily backups are free for the first year if you opt for the Choice Plus plan or above. To manage your backups, go to Websites, Settings, and click on Backups. CodeGuard is the tool responsible for creating and managing your backups. As you can see, my first automated backup was created for me around 33 minutes ago. To restore your backup, click on the little dots next to your desired copy. After that, you will receive an email confirming the start of the restoration process. Downloading your backup to your computer can be done by selecting Prepare a zip. The email containing the download link will be sent to your inbox. If your plan does not include CodeGuard or if it has expired, you can still create, download, or restore backups from cPanel using the software called Backup Wizard. However, be mindful that Bluehost's terms of service clearly states that backups are not guaranteed in any way and encourages you to run periodic backups. Additionally, Bluehost is unable to create automatic backups for sites above 30 gigabytes in size. Customer support is top-notch with Hostinger. The live chat support is available 24/7 and is quick to connect, providing great assistance. The quality of support I've received has been consistently excellent. There have been instances where they exceeded my expectations, such as restoring a database I had agreed to fully remove with the closure of my account. However, for tasks requiring heavy lifting, such as uploading a database that exceeds the size limit, they suggested that I pay one of their team members, which costs sometimes $20 and sometimes $40. Having a 24/7 live chat support system is very helpful, but the help I got wasn't good enough. Last time I chatted with a support person, it took longer than they said it would. They told me it would take 3 minutes, but it actually took 9. The support person gave me enough information for my technical questions, but they struggled to address my specific concern regarding the deduction from my refund due to registering a free domain. Even when I tried to explain my issue clearly, the support person kept saying I'd get a full refund, ignoring that domain names aren't refundable. They didn't really try to understand my side of things. I've had 3 bad experiences in a row with Blue's support. Compared to Hostinger, Blue's support is slower and not as good. If your website on Hostinger experiences a sudden surge in visitors, you don't have to upgrade your hosting plan. Hostinger provides a convenient solution. You can instantly increase your premium web hosting plan resources for 24 hours for free with just a click of a button. Transferring my WordPress site from Dreamhost to Bluehost was a straightforward process for me. The process began by navigating to the websites section, clicking on Add Site, selecting Transfer an existing site, and then clicking on Continue. I provided my WordPress link and logged into it to install the Bluehost migration plugin. And once I initiated the process and the plugin created a copy of my site, I was provided with a key that I then pasted into my Bluehost account. After a short wait, all my files were successfully copied over for me. The final step involved pointing my domain name to Bluehost by updating my name servers to the ones provided by Bluehost.